Alrighty. What is going on, guys? What is going on? I'm gonna go pick someone up like half an hour away, but I got like 15 minutes here, so I'm just gonna hit it with a post-market update. I just got home. I'm seeing these 4-hour charts, guys. These things look pretty bullish to me. So I just want to talk about it. I'm gonna wait for some people to get in here. Ugh. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, yo, yo. Lowering volume. We speaking about the microphone or the volume on the charts, guys? What are we talking, huh? What are we talking? All right, give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. Just got home. Yo, is it cold out yet? Where you guys are from? It started to get pretty chilly tonight. In the morning, freaking gets bright out at like 7:30. You wait to take the pups out every morning now. It doesn't matter how early you want to wake up. Nope, it's still dark out. Like, damn. Damn. Give me QQ highs, dude. Give me this market, honestly, after today's close, guys, this thing's looking pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Oh my god, guys. Oh, my package just came in for my new iPhone. My new iPhone 16 Pro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Open that guy up. What is this? Oh my god. Ah, oh, I bought these stress balls, guys. I'm actually looking forward to these things. Got a bunch of them. All right, guys, let's just give a quick little update, post-market update here. We're 2 minutes into the stream. I hope everyone has gotten settled. We're just gonna run through these charts real quick. I'm gonna definitely be making this one real quick. I gotta leave the house in like 10 minutes or so. But guys, 4-hour chart looks insanely bullish to me. This is on SPY. This is on QQQ. Daily time frame, it looked picture perfect. Today, I made my video right as price was right here. Go back and check if you'd like. It was literally right as price was right here. It was a make or break moment, which is why that thumbnail said make or break on it in massive green letters. Why? Because it was make or break for the bulls. You're either gonna die today, bulls, or you're gonna make a comeback story. What do we got? We got a comeback story by the end of the day. All right. Bounced off the daily 9, held the golden pocket, held support within I'm talking what, 12 cents down here was your low. 581.71, 580. Am I looking at that? 580.60, 580.73. That is the level that we were looking at all the way over here. All the way over here. All right. You guys want to talk about it? We'll talk about where did we mention it? What the heck is it? 580.73. 580.73 is a level I think we'll see a bullish reaction off of, so I will look for buyers around there. All right, guys, so we got picture perfect reactions off of what we were looking for this morning. You bounced off the golden pocket. You have the uptrend confluence. You got the daily 9 confluence. You got the golden pocket confluence. You got support. You also had the 15-minute RSI being oversold. And then on ES, I believe we did end up seeing a 15-minute bullish divergence get put in right at our zone. All right, so we recorded a video right at the bottom today. I do see on the likes, guys. I know you don't like the intraday updates. I don't really get why, but, I'm also going to say I kind of understand why. They're intraday updates. MSTR analysis. Bitcoin looking also mighty fine, okay? But yeah, for now, we're just going to run through the indices real quick, guys. So 4-hour charts really just, I want to, come on here and just show how amazing this 4-hour chart is looking over here on SPY. You held the uptrend. You're held in that 4-hour, 9 EMA right there. It's looking just like you got over here. We're probably about to pop up to a new high if I had to take a guess here. You know, and of course we bounced right off of that daily 9. Now, you know, I was talking about this today. Hey, if VIX gets a daily close above here, hey, we're gonna have our caution glasses on for a little bit. We're gonna be looking at the market with our caution goggles, we'll call them. All right, what happened? You got rejected here, right? It was make or break for the market. You had this testing that, while you had SPY testing that, you had QQQ testing that, you had IWM. It did not find a bounce off that. All right, of course. DIA test that also did not bounce so far. Kind of looks like a cup and handle. Kind of looks amazing. I do have to agree. And there was actually one chart today. A firm picture. Perfect cup and handle pattern. Ladies and gents, get ready for the affirm move. All right. All right. Enough of that. SPY guys, it's looking like you're probably going to pop up, take out 584.30, 584.40, get above there. We're going to be looking for a move back up to 585.25. And from that point, we're probably just going to pop up to a new high above 586.12. QQQ, what do we got cooking over here, guys? You came down. You did not test that golden pocket on the downside. You bounced right before support. You did have the 15-minute RSI just about in oversold territory there. It's okay, guys. You know, these things are reference points. These supports, they don't have to act, you know, perfect every time. Point is, we know where buyers are going to start stepping in. Now, you come over here to NQ, and this is where the buyers actually did end up stepping in. All right. And I tried, you know, I tried talking about the golden pocket in the video. I know people don't want to hear about it, but, you know, in reality, it is going to give you a very good reference to this chart every step of the way. All right. You guys want to see something, okay? You took out the 0.786 fib. Where did you almost get up to? The 100% retracement. You almost did it in one straight shot. That's what the golden pocket does, guys. That is it. You either hold it or you don't. If we weren't going to hold this, we're going to come down to a new low with all likelihood. All right? Things are looking mighty fine, okay? You want to talk about some Bitcoin? We'll talk about some Bitcoin. All right? Where is... Oh my God, 67K, guys. Look at that. Who would have thought we were going to see these prices again, huh? Not me. Nah, I'm kidding. This is kind of picture perfect, guys. We also pointed this one out. 66.5K break and retest. We said this was going to be the pullback opportunity for coin, for MSTR, for Mara, for CLSK. Little did we freaking know they were going to front run the freaking pullback over there on you know, Bitcoin, or they're going to front run the bounce on Bitcoin from the pullback, and they weren't going to pull back with Bitcoin. All right, they did not do what Bitcoin did. I was hoping it was. Who doesn't like the gold? Dude, that's what I'm saying. All right, who does not like the golden pocket? Speaking of golden pockets, guys, clear as day, $15 to $16 incoming over here on CLSK. Top watch for my cryptos, well, crypto stonks. All right, I decided to get out of the crypto game while I was ahead. I was not ahead, but I decided to get out. All right, guys. Right here, guys, Mara looks like it's about to pop above 1884 tomorrow, and I do think we're probably going to start getting that bounce. MSTR, this is the one that is going to be showing the most strength. I was tempted to buy this because, you know, you just see these candles, and most of the time you don't just fade them right after. I know, you know, sometimes it happens, but most of the times you get a big fat green bar, you start pulling back. All right, MSTR will just rip faces right back up. All right, it's done it the whole freaking rally. All right, pullbacks have been buying opportunities every single time. I was hoping, you know, we'd come all the way down here. We didn't. MSTR for whoever was wanting that guy. Guys, it's going higher. We're probably coming up to this 250 psych level. That is what I would have my eyes on if I was playing this right now, which I'm not. But if I was, 250 psych level would be a target for me. All right, next one we're going to talk about is TSM, guys. This is top watch for me right now. I really would like to see a pullback here, and there's that. Something else I will point out is that I got the alert for the pullback entry over here on LOVE. All right, thank you guys for you know, I don't know who exactly suggested this one off the top of my head, but you know, I appreciate your ticker requests. And when I ask, you know, when I do the ticker request over on Twitter, guys, just letting you know, I'm not going to chart every single one. Some of these charts look like absolute crap. There's nothing to say about it. I don't want to flood my Twitter with all of, you know, that. I want people to, you know, oh, you're following, you know, Henry on Twitter. You're getting, you know, every post, you're getting value. You're getting what you signed up for. I don't want to be flooding the timeline with just crap. But, you know, I appreciate all of the you know, tick requests that turn into great setups, guys. If they have great setups, I will gladly post them. This is not an exception. This thing is absolutely freaking beautiful. All right, you just broke out from this massive inverse head and shoulders pattern, you know, 2 years in the making here. You're probably going to get buyers after this pullback. It just broke and retested off of 28.95. All right, so far we did get buyers stepping around there. 28.97 was low of day. So we do know buyers are down there. But, you know, I'm just going to say it can pull back into here. We have the daily 9 over there. You know, either way, I like this one. I like, you know, I like December contracts. I do see that earnings is over here, but, you know, I would prefer to give this one time. So it's definitely something I want to remind everyone, if they are playing, give it time. The thing just broke out from a 2-year thing. So, you know, further out, the better. That's how I'm thinking of this. Okay. So that's that. Oklo, guys, it is probably going to continue higher. That is probably going to be a thing. All right. We're just going to quickly move through these. I just wanted to come on here and review the charts after the close. And I'm just going to say, guys, things look like they're going to be ripping faces. That's kind of how my outlook is going to be here. Chips were looking mighty vulnerable today. Everything sprouted up by the end of the day. And now we got a bullish engulfing candlestick on MSoft. The thing looks like a monster. Goog, not a monster. You're a little ugly guy over there. It's okay. We're all a little ugly. Okay? There you go. Meta, am I glad I cut, you know, this morning? Yeah, because, you know, knowing me, I would have tried holding for these things. And, yeah, what happened? I would have been pissed at shorting again. TELH, pissing me off. Pissing me off, dude. That's what I'll say about that. I actually got my girl in this one. And, yeah, it's pissing me off. I don't want that. But, yeah, I'm just going to say, give it some time. This thing will very likely be, you know, breaking out above here. Until it breaks above 35.99, though, we really don't know when it's actually going to go. It could keep consolidating here. It could take its time. All right, this left shoulder right here, it did take 2 weeks there. So this one, well, I mean, technically, it came out to like over here. So, you know, we could run it up over here on time-wise on the clock. Take some time. So, yeah, CELH, I like it. I do like it, but I think it's going to take some time. It's annoying that it's not going. You know, something else that was annoying that, you know, I think is just about to go just because your boy decided to, you know, take his L right over here. But, you know, hey, another day, another troll. I'm happy about my decision. There we go. I hate this thing so much. I do. So that's looking, you know, not so bad. MU is at a pivotal spot. So, you know, you either find bulls stepping in here or they don't. This is a nice trade idea for anyone who is interested. You have a nice uptrend to risk, daily 9 to risk. You know, and if you start breaking down, you're probably going to have a larger sell over here. But, you know, this is ideally where bulls do decide to step in. There you go. All right, ARM. I mentioned the trade I did today, and, you know, I didn't like it. By the end of the day, it would have stopped anybody out who I, you know, told the trade I did to. But I will tell you right now it's valid. You held the daily 9. You can easily risk this low over here. If you take out the low tomorrow, you're probably going to take out this uptrend. It's not going to be looking good. All right, so I like ARM back up to 158.80 and 164.16. All right, what do we got over here? Avgo still doing absolutely nothing. AMD, now this is the one I like right here. Swept the low. We like to see it. I pointed out you had the hourly bullish divergence over here. It doesn't always have to lead to it, like I pointed out in today's video. It does not always have to lead to it, but we typically do see these things. All right, doesn't matter how ugly they look. We typically do see these bullish divergences at bottoms. All right, and, you know, they could get ugly. They can. But at the end of the day, they usually lead to upside eventually. And we happen to have that guy right now. All right, right now. Break above 158.08. All right, and yeah, you are going to have this high to get past. All right, but you probably are going to push this high. All right, so that's what I'd be watching over there on AMD. NVIDIA, guys, we all knew the thing was a monster. We all knew the thing just broke out. We all know the thing's going to 145 and the 150 cycle level. It's very likely. Pullbacks are buying opportunities, but do we think it's going to come with a look like this? Probably not. All right. If it comes, though, we'll be amazed. All right, guys. So that is all for me tonight. I will catch y'all tomorrow. I will be posting some charts on Twitter tonight when I get home. It will be later. Hey, I love you, man. I really do appreciate the crap out of you guys. You guys make my days most of the days. You know, you guys put constant smiles on my face. I look down, I get a heartwarming feeling it when I see some of these comments, guys. So I really do appreciate you guys. I want you guys to know that. I do. Guys looking for a correction in your. You're funny, man. You're funny. All right, guys. I appreciate y'all. I'll catch y'all over on the Twitter, though. I am gonna post some charts later tonight when I get home, but it will definitely be around like 11 to 11:30. So stay tuned for that. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I hope we all kill it, and peace.